Hello everyone. Now we're continuing our series on how to protect your forms using Google Recaptcha. And why is this important? Is so that spam and bots don't get to access your form and then send spam messages. Now we're looking at Fluent Form. We've already looked at WP Form. We also looked at Ninja Form. Now in this video, we're going to be looking at Fluent Form. If I go to plugins and add new plugins, then I'm going to search for Fluent Forms. Fluent Forms. Yeah, this is it. So let's see. This is Fluent, so I'm going to activate it because I've already installed it, so I'm just going to activate it. And then when it's done activating, I'm going to do some customization, and then we can now insert it into our form and protect it with Google Recaptcha. So Fluent Forms, I'm going to go to the left. I'm going to see something like Fluent Forms here and go to Forms. So now we have two forms. Contact form demo. Let's see what it's like. Name, email, subject, and message. I think this is okay. So let's save this form and then copy the shortcode. If I go back to my front end and I insert the shortcode here, and see, it's going to show, and I publish. Now let's see what the front end is going to look like. If I refresh this, it's going to change to Fluent Form now, but without the protection. Now, how do we add the protection to Fluent Forms, which is the Google Recaptcha protection? If I go back there, let's go back here and then go to settings, global settings. Now go to security and then we have Recaptcha. Now I'm going to do the same thing, site key and then secret key. So go back to our console and then copy the site key, right? Copy the site key, paste it, copy the secret key, and then paste it in the secret key. Now save changes. Let's save the settings. I'm not a robot. Save the settings. Now we have this set already. Now one more thing that we need to do is to go back to the form so that it can appear on the front end, and click on edit. If I click on edit, I'm going to add the Recaptcha. So go to the fields where you have the fields. Let's see, advanced fields, and this is it, Recaptcha. So drag it in to where you want it to be, and then when you do, you can now save this form. Let's go back to our front end, remove the one and then add it again, then publish. Now let's see if it's going to appear. If I refresh this page, now our form that had no security before is now being protected by Google Recaptcha, right? And we're going to also test to see if we're able to bypass this. Copy this link and go back and go to incognito mode. Let's see, incognito mode. All right, so let's try to fill this form and see. So wisdom Isiago, Mila Creative, subject is testing and testing, and here testing. So let's try to bypass this and see if it's going to agree. Error message is going to show. Until we do I'm not a robot, and then you click on verified, all of this, and then you submit the form. So that's how we can protect our Fluent Form using Google Recaptcha. Please like and subscribe and share so that others can get access to these videos, and also so that we can improve the content of these videos. Thank you so much. See you next time. Bye.